Okay, so you already learned how to shade a sphere, which you will do again on this worksheet. I'm working on improving from last time. But we're going to talk quick about a value scale. So we're going to complete a value scale from light to dark. Now on your other sheet, you had a value scale on there as well, right up here. And you can look at that if you want to. This is only a 5-box value scale. This is going to be left completely white. This is your lightest light, don't even touch this one. This one's going to be your darkest dark, and then you're going to want to get gradual transitions in between. So I could go ahead and start. Now, I want you to take your time and fill in the whole box. But for time's sake, I might rush this a little bit. So you want to get this box filled in nice and dark. Okay, the whole thing. So get the whole thing filled in nice and dark. Now, your next one is going to be fairly dark, but you want it to be noticeably lighter. So I might build it up in layers a little bit. Start out a little bit lighter. Might have to go darker. I might not. We'll see. So definitely want it to be noticeably lighter than the darkest one. Okay, try and fill it in nice and evenly. Now this one will be another step lighter. So I'm going to have to go quite a bit lighter now with my pencil pressure. Again, neatness counts on this, so you want to take your time and stay in the box as much as possible. Okay. Now this is the trickiest one. It's got to be somewhere in between white and this value. So it definitely looks different than both. Okay, so this is again where I have to use very gentle pressure with my pencil. Kind of like we talked about with the sphere, where you're not putting any pressure, you're just trying to graze the side of the pencil over the paper. And fill in the whole box. Okay, so then you take a look at it and you'd say, any of these need to be darker or lighter? Are any of them too similar? These two are a little too similar, I would say. So I would go back in and just gradually, just a little bit, darken this box. You got to make very gradual changes when you do this, because all of a sudden it'll be the same as the next one. Okay. And these two are a little bit more similar now too, so I'll darken this one just a bit. Okay, now I'm pretty happy with the transition between those steps. So that's the value scale.